You know, one of the things we love to do here in the test kitchen is to combine the best part of two recipes. To help you get a better appreciation of what I'm talking about, today we're combining everything we love about homemade potato stuffed pierogies with a classic Italian favorite, lasagna. Here's how. We start by cooking some lasagna noodles according to the package directions and draining them really well. Then, in some butter, we saute some onions that we seasoned with a bit of salt until they're golden. Now we add most of the cooked onions to some mashed potatoes along with some shredded cheddar cheese and a bit of black pepper. To build this, we layer our mashed potato filling with the noodles just as if we were building a traditional lasagna. After all the noodles and potatoes are gone, we top it with the rest of our golden onions. Once this is baked, it's ready to cut into squares and enjoy. And yes, it tastes just like an old world pierogi, but is so much easier to make. I hope you'll go online to get the recipe for what we call pierogi lasagna. It's packed with all sorts of cheesy goodness. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a two-in-one way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.